Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are logging into your Snapchat account on your phone. So at that time guys, you are facing this type of error, something went wrong, please try again later, and you are getting this error code. So how to fix this irritating problem? Now in this video we will learn this guys. So when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can face this type of error. In case your internet connection is good, you are facing this kind of problem. Now what you need to do, you need to check the server of the Snapchat. So sometime guys the Snapchat server is down, so at that time you can also face this kind of problem. So if you are facing regularly this kind of problem, so you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to update the Snapchat app. Open the Play Store like this, and here you need to search Snapchat, and if the app update is available, just you need to simply update the app. After updating, try to log in your account. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open the settings on your phone, go to apps and notification. In some phone you can get application manager, just open it, and from here you need to find out the Snapchat, go to storage, clear the caches of the app, clear the storage of the app. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the data, means storage of this app, it will delete your all Snapchat activity. For example, Snapchat chats, login, setting, personal info, everything it will delete it. Okay, so do it on your own risk, and then go back. Here you can get the option for stop, just tap on it and then tap on OK. Now you need to restart your phone. After restarting, go to Snapchat and log in your Snapchat account. It will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So still in case you are facing same type of problem, so one more method you can try. Now you can contact the Snapchat support team to solve your issue. How to contact it? To contact the Snapchat support team, open the Snapchat, go to your settings like this. Here you can get the option support. So from here you can easily able to contact the Snapchat support team. I need help, just tap on it and follow the on-screen procedure instruction to fix your issue. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.